hello there. This is Shannon Bowdey with SLO Happy Homes of Keller Williams, and we want to tell you about a great property we have listed at 921 Cascada Lane in Nipomo. This stunning estate has 3 units on it, a little over an acre of land. There's the beautiful main home. There's also a guest house that has a bathroom and a small kitchenette and its own private patio. And in the back, there's a guest house that's 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Next to that guest house is a stunning workshop that could fit up to 3 cars, has a beautiful workbench, so much storage in it. You can do so much with this space. Outside that workshop is a stage. So if you want to have parties or entertain guests and everything, the driveway is a gorgeous place to have that. It's a long, gorgeous driveway, perfectly manicured oak trees all along, gorgeous landscaping everywhere you look. Take a look at this video and you let us know what you think. Oh, hello there. This is what you saw? Oh, good. We're so excited. We hope you can come out this weekend. Saturday and Sunday, we have this beautiful home open at 921 Cascada Lane. The times will be in the post on this video, and we hope to see you there. Oh my goodness, you're going to love this property. It is gorgeous and has so much to offer. Priced at $1,899,000. Come out and see us this weekend at 921 Cascada. We thank you for watching. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdey with SLO Happy Homes, and we hope that you have a SLO Happy day.